Pelajaran nomor 94. Halo saudara pendengar, apa kabar? Apakah saudara mendengar suatu bunyi? Bunyi tadi adalah suara air menetes dari keran yang bocor.
Oh dear, the tap's leaking. I'll have to ask Bert to fix it.
Saudara tentunya masih ingat ungkapan dengan to yang diikuti oleh bentuk infinitif, seperti misalnya,
I'll ask Bert to fix the tap.
Berikut ini adalah kata kerja khusus seperti itu, yaitu get, yang dalam contoh berikut berarti meminta seseorang melakukan sesuatu. Coba dengarkan.
I'll get Bert to fix it.
Artinya, saya akan meminta Bert memperbaikinya.
I'll get Bert to fix it.
Dan Margaret akan meminta supaya engsel-engselnya diberi minyak.
I'll get him to oil the hinges. And we haven't got any potatoes. I'll get him to buy some potatoes.
Coba dengarkan beberapa contoh.
I'll get him to fix the tap. I'll get him to oil the hinges. I'll get him to buy some potatoes. And these windows are dirty. They need cleaning. But I haven't got time to clean them. I'll get Chris to clean them at the weekend. I'll get Chris to clean them.
Sekarang, coba ucapkan sesudah Margaret.
I'll get him to fix the tap. I'll get him to fix the tap.
Bagus. Coba ulangi beberapa contoh lagi sesudah Margaret.
I'll get him to buy some potatoes. I'll get Chris to clean the windows.
Berikut ini beberapa contoh lain. Coba dengarkan.
I'll get someone to clean the car. I'll get someone to fix the engine. I'll get someone to paint the wall. I'll get someone to take the rubbish out.
Dalam semua kalimat tadi, Margaret mengatakan bahwa dia akan meminta orang lain melakukan sesuatu. Sekarang, coba saudara ulangi contoh berikut bagian demi bagian sesudah Margaret.
I'll get someone to sweep the floor. I'll get someone to sweep the floor.
Baiklah. Sekarang, ulangilah beberapa contoh lagi sesudah Margaret. Siap?
I'll get someone to wash the dishes. I'll get someone to take the rubbish out. I'll get someone to paint the wall.
Margaret biasanya melakukan sendiri hal-hal tadi. Tetapi hari ini tangannya terasa sakit. Karena itu, ia akan meminta orang lain untuk melakukannya.
Bert? Bert, are you there?
Coming. What's the matter?
Would you mind taking the rubbish out?
No, of course not.
Thanks. I can't take it out because my arm is sore.
What's wrong with your arm?
I don't know.
Well, you'd better see the doctor. Get him to have a look at it. And your throat's been sore, hasn't it?
Yes, it's been a bit sore.
Well, get him to examine your throat too.
Coba dengarkan dua contoh lagi.
Get the doctor to examine your throat. Get the doctor to examine your arm.
Sekarang, ucapkanlah sesudah Bert.
Get the doctor to examine your arm. Get him to examine your throat. Get him to look at your eyes.
Yes, I'll get him to examine my arm. It's sore.
Oh, that tap's leaking again. I fixed it last week. I need a new washer for it.
Artinya, saya memerlukan ring yang baru.
I need a new washer for it. I'll get Chris to buy one.
Dengarkan beberapa contoh lain.
I need some paint. I'll get Chris to buy some. I need some oil. I'll get him to buy some. And a paintbrush.
Artinya, kuas cat.
I need a paintbrush.
We need some potatoes, too. I'll get him to buy some. And some milk. I'll get him to buy some.
Mari kita berlatih lagi. Saudara akan mendengar suatu kalimat seperti misalnya,
I need some paint.
dan saudara hendaknya mengatakan,
I'll get Chris to buy some.
kemudian ulangilah kalimat baru yang betul sesudah saudara mendengarnya. Siap?
I need some milk. I'll get Chris to buy some. I need some oil. I'll get Chris to buy some.
Baiklah. Coba dengarkan sebuah contoh lagi yang memakai kata benda countable, artinya yang dapat dihitung.
I need a paintbrush. I'll get Chris to buy one.
Kata one menggantikan a paintbrush, bukan? Coba saudara lakukan contoh berikut.
I need